How to meditate, the ultimate step-by-step beginner's guide. Meditation is a simple practice of paying attention to the breath as the wind goes in and gets out. It is an excellent way to improve your mood, reduce stress, and make you more connected to the surroundings. But it can be tough to figure out where to begin. How to get started, especially if you are a beginner. Today, we will present the top 10 steps to help you start meditating. So, watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Without further delay, let's start the video. Step 1. Select designated space to meditate. Picking a nice place to meditate can help to feel more comfortable and let your mind more easily transition into meditation. Think of it as you only going to your office to focus on work. It's important to set a dedicated place where you can stay focused on meditation. Selecting a meditation area and keeping it clean can help you to make your first meditation session more special and memorable. Step 2. Choose a time to meditate. When you set a specific time of the day to meditate, it is easier to make it a habit, and the chances are you'll be more inclined to do it every day. One great tip is try to pair meditation with a daily habit that you already have, like before going to bed at night or having a cup of tea in the morning. Step 3. Take a couple of moments to wind down and clear your mind. Hopping right into meditation after an intense business meeting might not be a good idea, since it's more difficult to sit still and concentrate after these stressful moments. So, it's best to take a few minutes to calm your mind and then start your meditation session. This can help keep the mind away from what you said during the meeting and allow you to concentrate more on meditation. Step 4. Start with a few deep breaths to calm the body. Taking a few deep breaths can trigger your body's relaxation response, and when this response is incited, our body begins to feel comfort and ease. This technique can particularly be helpful before starting your meditation. Also, you need to pay attention to your breathing throughout the meditation, since mindful breathing can reduce stress levels in the body. Step 5. Try not to move too much during meditation. It's normal to feel wandering throughout your meditation. If it's too troubling, feel free to adjust. But don't let your position become a distraction in itself. Step 6. Just breathe. Meditation does not necessarily have to be complicated. The essence of meditation is to simply feel the awareness through your breath, over and over again. Step 7. Slowly reintroduce movement after meditating. Once you're done with your meditation, you can smoothly begin to move your fingers, then toes, and a few moments later, you can move your entire hands and stretch your arms. Meditating is all about feeling the pores of your body, so try to give yourself a few minutes before leaping onto a stressful task. Step 8. Be kind to yourself. The root of meditation is to treat yourself with kindness, no matter what you may be undergoing. Just like any other stuff, some days are going to be harder than others. This could be due to the amount of stress you are under. But remember, everything isn't always going to be perfect. Step 9. Come back the next day, even if you don't feel like it. The power of meditation can only be felt after making it a daily routine. A 2018 study discovered that meditating 15 minutes daily can promote positive well-being and lower stress levels. The study also concluded that regular meditation had a similar effect on the body like taking a vacation. Step 10. Try meditation apps or take a class. If it's hard for you to cling to the daily meditation routine on your own, you might try using an app or take classes for additional guidance. That's it, guys. These are the top 10 steps you can take to start your journey, and once you feel a bit more confident about what you're doing, try to look for a more advanced routine. Thank you for watching. See you soon in our next video.